adding lighting to a design. It's not required, but it makes the design look nicer. In this particular design, I've changed the door styles to a shaker door style, and if we don't apply lighting, it's almost impossible to see the shaker style. As you can see there, it's not very visible. If I click the light function to turn lights on, then it becomes more obvious. Now, so I've turned lighting on, but there are no actual lights placed in the design at this stage to brighten it up. Once I turn lighting on with no actual lights placed, it becomes quite dull. So to add lighting, we click the plus sign and choose the light function, and almost always choose spotlight and OK. Now you get a position where you want to place the light and click the left mouse button, and then you move towards the object you want to shine light on, and again click the left mouse button, and that places it and snaps it to that object. So without changing it, we'll just show you the effect. So now you can see there is light placed shining at this wall here, but it's quite high, shining up the wall. So there's several things we can do. If we pick up the light and move it backwards, and then see its effect again. So now the light spreads a little more and is not so harsh. Now lights can be adjusted in lots of different ways. So I can move it forward a little bit, right click on it, can change its intensity. So by shifting the slider up or down, I can change the intensity. Lights can also be given a colour, which will change the look of the design, so you normally wouldn't give them colour. You can also tell it to cast shadows, so it'll cast shadows across things that are in the path of the light. And the other one is position. Now position, it's automatically put itself at 2400 high, and it's shining down to 2090, which is the top of the tall pantry that I clicked it to. The other two things you can change is illumination cone, that's the spread of the light, and the range, 7000, that means it will shine for 7 meters. So you can change these numbers to affect the light. So I'm going to just leave them as they are, show you again, and then modify them. Okay, so I've shifted that light backwards slightly. So now I'm going to change its position. So I right click on it, go to position. I'll tell it to shine down to 0, which is down to the floor. I won't do anything else, just say OK to that. And 3D. And now you'll see the light is down lower. Now you can place lights in various points, and you can simply copy them by pressing the control key and picking the light up and getting another light. You can rotate them by clicking the Alt key and the mouse button to spin them around like any other object. And place them, and 3D again. Now if you just want your light to shine, so you'll notice there's light shining on 2 different sections now. It's quite dark in this section here. If you simply want light, normal, just bright light, you click the plus sign, go to lights and choose directional. Click OK. Pick a light, pick a position, click the left mouse button, step forward, click to place the direction you want to shine the light, and it places that into place. Generate a 3D, bring it up to full screen, turn the lights on, and now you'll notice the light is shining more strongly on this left hand surface. So lights can be changed in lots of different ways: brightness, direction, spread, position, to give you the effects that you want, and they will always give you a nicer effect if you use lighting.